Hey, this is Sean McCormick with Sean Austin Realty, 512-653-1213. Thank you so much for watching. Today, I'm at 4702 Philco Drive in South Austin, just south of Ben White near Manchac. This is such a terrific house in an outstanding neighborhood. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,220 square feet with plenty of storage outside. Gas cooking, hardwood floors, very workable floor plan, with lots of windows and a metal roof. The neighborhood is really special. The homes are all mid-century with established and large trees, something that's not really too common in parts of town anymore. Besides that, it's within walking distance or biking distance to so much of what makes Austin so special: independent bars, coffee shops, restaurants, and shopping. Additionally, really easy access to all the major highways, and it makes for an easy commute. This is a house that I strongly encourage you to check out. MLS number 995-8065. That's 995-8065. Thanks again for watching. Once again, my name's Sean McCormick with Sean Austin Realty. If I can be of any help to you to make realty your reality here in the Austin area, please hit me up, 512-653-1213. Peace.